How to fix Gmail app on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick on Android phone. First, open settings, and first thing you need to do here is to click battery, and then power saving mode, make sure it's disabled, and after that go to apps and then apps again, and now here you will find Gmail. Click on it, and first thing you need to do here is to click force stop, and now click storage, clear cache, and now click permissions and allow all of those permissions here, microphone and everything, just allow it. And after that click data usage, and now allow all of those, and then all you need to do, just go to storage, clear cache, and now go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to clear data, so just come back here and click clear data and click OK. But after that you will need to log in to all your accounts, to all your emails again, and but your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.